Yeah. You know what we doing? I'm sit, gang. I'm on a high end trip. I'm about to fly in. Sit, hop in a Cayenne trip. I was just gliding. I just be styling. I'm on a high end. I'm on the fly in. We about to fly in. Jump in the Cayenne. Jump in the Cayenne. Ran out of my lane. Gotta go find it. Snatch the body. In a big body. Drips at Wu-Tang. We like Charlene. What's the total? What's the lead read? Rocket Valencia. Whipping a big bitch. What's the total? What's the lead read? Plain Jane watch. Richard Millie. Yeah. Richard Millie cost me about an Aston Martin. Left my Tesla sitting at the house on a charge. I just met the owners of Chanel and Dior. Cause they say I'm spending too much money in the stores. Put up.
Everything high end, I'm with the Mozzie. I pop a half a perk, make a deposit. I am not from the earth, stay on my fly shit. I'm flying private, on my Dubai shit. On the Ducati, stunting on them. All of you niggas, my little homies. Here's some knowledge for you, stop trying to wife with that bitch. All the vampires know that we don't go to sleep. We stay up all night, pop me 2 or 3. The exotic type, everything high end, you see the stars. And my Richard Mille cost more than your car. Everything high, everything high. And you fake niggas, should retire. And you fuck niggas, should get fired up. Don't fuck with fair niggas, they be wider.